Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start an online business with no money. Starting a business can be expensive, but with the internet, there are now more opportunities than ever to start a business without breaking the bank. So, whether you're looking to start a side hustle or a full-time business, let's dive into the steps to start an online business with no money. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step to starting an online business is to identify your niche. This is the area where you have expertise and can provide value to your potential customers. You can choose a niche based on your hobbies, interests, or skills. Step 2. Choose your business model. There are several business models you can choose from when starting an online business. Some popular options include affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and digital products. Step 3. Build a website. Building a website is crucial when starting an online business. You can create a website using platforms like WordPress or Wix. Make sure your website is user-friendly and has a clear call to action for potential customers. Step 4. Create valuable content. Creating valuable content is key to attracting potential customers to your website. You can create blog posts, videos, or podcasts that provide value to your audience. Step 5. Utilize social media. Social media is a great way to promote your business and reach a wider audience. You can create social media accounts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and engage with your followers regularly. Step 6. Network with others in your industry. Networking with others in your industry can help you grow your business and learn from others' experiences. You can join online communities or attend virtual events to connect with like-minded individuals. Step 7. Offer your services for free. When starting out, offering your services for free can help you build your portfolio and gain valuable experience. You can offer your services to friends, family, or even online communities to get started. Step 8. Monetize your business. Once you have built a following and established your business, it's time to monetize it. You can do this through various methods, such as offering paid products or services, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. And that's it. Those are the steps to start an online business with no money. Remember, starting a business takes time and effort, so don't expect overnight success. But with hard work and persistence, you can build a successful online business and achieve your financial goals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.